What I come to propose and demonstrate in this video is the design of an innovative engine that I call the Universal Sequential Cyclic Engine. This engine can use with minor modifications any type of fuel such as hydrazine, liquid hydrogen, nitrogen tetroxide, hydroxylated liquid polybutadiene, PBLH, petroleum derivatives as well as electricity from batteries or other types of power sources to operate. This engine has already reached speeds above 280,000 kilometers per second in simulation. I am in the research and development phase for new materials that can help in the manufacture of this engine. I am also looking for investment so that I can make a functional prototype to initially equip cars, trucks, trains, and other means of transport. This motor for these purposes will be extremely economical and effective, making auto cycle motors obsolete. Telegram contacts at the link.